Illegal gadgets you can still buy on Amazon. We will talk about the unlawful devices that are still available on Amazon today. Although these devices appear appealing, they are illegal for a variety of reasons, including potential health risks, privacy concerns, and public safety concerns. As a result, it is critical to proceed with caution while making a purchase. So, let's start. Number 1. Lock-picking kit. It is simple to use even without any instructions. You can become adept with this instrument with some practice, but please follow all applicable local laws and regulations when using it, as they may be used for criminal reasons. Despite the controversy surrounding them, these kits were outlawed in many countries. They are still available on Amazon. It is $59.99. Number 2. An anti-spy detector. The anti-spy detector, incorporated in the most current modified chipset, employs sophisticated German technology. It may provide artificial intelligence analysis, as well as strong anti-interference, high sensitivity, a wide frequency detection range, and extended working hours are all advantages. It detects wireless audio bugs, GSM bugs, body wires, wiretaps, magnetic GPS tracking devices, and other insect transmitters. It can also detect hidden tiny cameras and Wi-Fi IP. It is $139.99. Number 3. Descammer credit card skimmer detection. It has never been more difficult to prevent fraudsters from utilizing your credit card information. With the portable Bluetooth skimmer detector, you can instantly check for credit card skimmers with the push of a button. Skimmer detection for credit cards can be used with minimal effort. Before using your card at a terminal, you will need to press the button and point the sensor at the card input. This will cost you $39.95. Number 4. A small voice recorder. Before using the recorder, please charge it. If the power is insufficient, after charging, detach the data cable from the writer, and the clerk will begin recording. The recorder cannot register right now, so do not turn it on when charging or connected to an Android phone. Because of the inclusion of a new generation DSP Smart Noise Reduction chip. When fully charged, the recorder battery lasts around 24 hours. The recorder has a 100-hour storage capacity for recording files and may be worn as a keychain or a necklace around the neck. It costs $39 and $0.80. Number 5. Sabre 2-in-1 Stun Gun. A stun gun provides a painful 139 microcoulomb charge when used in self-defense. Unintentional discharge is prevented by the safety switch. The bright 80-lumen torch makes it easy to find door locks in the dark or essentials in a bag or handbag. A rechargeable battery allows for several applications and power when needed. The stun gun comes with a holster that can be easily and discreetly placed in a handbag or belt loop for fast access. In an emergency, every Sabre product makes me feel safe. Number 6. A blue propane torch weed burner. The natural gas weed burner's marine-grade rubber hose and high-temperature resistant steel design provide excellent flame retardants. The maximum heat output of 500,000 BTUs, which may reach 3,500 degrees Fahrenheit, swiftly burns weeds and kills roots. The ignition buttons may be manipulated with one hand because they are linked to the handle. When it has pulse ignition technology, it is easier to press the ignition switch and more comfortable for your thumb. It is priced at $40.99. Number 7. Bulletproof vest, compact, low profile, lightweight construction, flexible front and back, soft panel design, and a cut that allows for body movement and comfort. Number 7. Allow the panel to contour to the shape of the body. The costume vest waist and shoulder sizes may be adjusted. You can adjust the belt and shoulder straps to meet your body size and have a great time. The ability to move freely. It is a versatile tactical vest for cosplay, paintball, and other games that suits man sizes small to extra large. It is $32.99 in price. Number 8. Anti-Hacker Toolkit. Anti-Hacker Toolkit 4th Edition demonstrates how to protect your network from many dangerous vulnerabilities. It has been totally revamped and now features cutting-edge new security tools. This helpful guide's category-based organization makes it easier to find the solution you need to secure your system against the most serious hacks. Simple. It is $37.32. Number 9. Pepper spray. Pepper spray is powerful enough to dissuade a determined assailant who is high on drugs or alcohol. With 25 bursts fired from the nozzle to the target's eyes in a powerful torrent. This pepper spray protects against a multitude of threats while preventing wind blowback. The most natural finger grip enhances aim and aids in keeping concentration on the threat. When speed is of the essence, it incorporates a rapid release key ring for easy access to the spray. Twist lock action is simple and safe. Number 10. Calibre Break Barrel Air Rifle. For lightning quick follow-up shots, shatter the barrel and fire. Whisper Fusion's noise-canceling technology. An inert gas cylinder substitutes the normal spring power plant in the IGT Mac 1 gas piston to lessen the rigorous demands that your scope experiences from the tremendous recoil of air weapons and powerful rifles. Number 11. USB Polygraph Real Home Lie Detector. A home-use replica of the real polygraph or lie detector seen on television in every country. Very easy to use. No prior expertise is required. Ideal for parties or small businesses. Simply enter the questions. The rest will be handled by the computer, which will be used by ordinary people looking for the truth. Law enforcement, private investigators, and professional polygraph examiners use it all around the world. Artificial intelligence simulates a trained polygraph examiner to achieve accurate testing. It is priced at $99.95. Number 12. Pepper Ball. The most potent PAVA pepper powder concentration. The market's most versatile and potent non-lethal technology. Pepper Ball is designed to be used faster and safer than other solutions for force. The American Army and Marines, as well as numerous law enforcement agencies around the country, rely on it in temperatures ranging from -30 to 150 degrees Fahrenheit during operation. It costs $282 plus 90 cents. That's all for today. If you liked the video, do subscribe to our channel Tech Brew and don't forget to hit the bell icon.